Huh?
That was pretty cool stuff. Y'all, we got a couple more for you. This was, if you look us up on like YouTube or something, this would be the #1 hit song that we have. So, yes it is. But it's called Little Georgia Pines. Speed it back up, folks. Calm down. I want you to meet me in the morning. Lord, just a while before the daylight. Lord, we can't stay there forever. Lord, kiss you underneath the moonlight. Oh, original for you there.